Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ONCY. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis on Tuesday, so that is where the orange and then the green line here are coming from. But after today's price movement, some updates certainly do need to be made. First thing I'm going to do is a little house cleaning, just get rid of that line up there. Sure, that level still pertains, just not relevant right now and from a presentation standpoint. I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible going forward. First update that needs to be made comes about just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So $4.50 can be that initial area of resistance if there is any sort of return movement back to the upside. So pay attention to that very closely. And that'll be a good way to measure the health of any sort of, attempted bounce back to the upside. And, just kind of a good test of, well, if the price can get up to 450, how is it going to act? Is it going to just go up there like a warm knife through butter, or is it going to get just completely, rejected to the downside? So like I said, 450, just a good kind of measuring mark in terms of just how strong or kind of maybe faulty any sort of upwards price movement actually is. Now, what about levels of support? Overall level of support now sits down here right around the $3.35 mark. But the ideal level would be if the price can stay above the purple line right there, the 50-period simple moving average, which is where the price has basically been, going sideways right here. Now, if the price falls below that purple line, that doesn't mean the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But if the price, could stay above it, that would be a great sign. But if it doesn't, then at that point is where that 335 mark, I'm still not going to call that a do or die level, but that's definitely an area that, preferably speaking, you would definitely want to see the price stay above in the event, the price pulls back some more. So overall, yeah, it pulled back today, but big picture wise, the trend does still have the opportunity to chip away and build a higher base. So let's see how this one closes out the week on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.